I'm Rami from Airway Dental Solution. We're Canada located and we are a company located in Canada, Ontario. So we are representing the Auto Vent here, which is an oral appliance, a perfect solution for sleep apnea and insomnia. So how it works, this oral appliance stabilizes the lower jaw, brings the tongue front to keep the airway open. At the same time, we have created a air channel which goes all across the device itself, as it's seen here, to make sure that all the airflow goes smoothly in the back of the throat to avoid all and any obstructions. At the same time, there is a very common case as a congestion and obstruction in the nasal obstruction. So this will act as a second nose in that cases as well. In case of there is no nasal obstructions, this will act as a regular breather from a mouth breathe, as an inhalation from the nose and exhalation from the device itself or from the mouth. In addition to that, we've added a one-way valve which will act and apply a positive pressure in the back of the throat to keep the airway open. How it works is a very simple attachment. You can just attach it and detach it. How it works, on inhalation, all this valve will open completely. It will give you a regular and normal and smooth airflow. And on exhalation, all the airflow will go through these vents, which will slow down the exhalation, which will create a positive pressure in the back of the throat to keep the airway open. In addition to this device or this oral appliance is a 3D printed, customized for each and every individual. It's made of a nylon, dental grade nylon, with a long shelf life. The warranty on this will be 3 years, extendable to 5 years in different cases and after inspection and quality control. That's all about it, and thank you so much.